Why is this Alfa Romeo Giulia a gem? Let's find out in this quick look. Let's take a quick look at this Alfa Romeo Quadrifoglio.
What country you from? What ain't no country I ever heard of? They speak English and what? What? English, motherfucker! Do you speak it?
Now, I'm not sure if I'm 100% saying that right. It's kind of a tongue twister for me, honestly, but it is still just really, really cool. Ever since it came out, it has caught my eye. Now, it has a lot of competitors in this space, as these can be had around $70,000 and produce about 500 horsepower, weigh about 3,800 pounds. So there's many cars in its class that it competes with, many BMWs, such as the M5, Mercedes with C63 AMGs, and cars alike. But what makes this Giulia special? You can see on the bottom here, we have a nice carbon fiber diffuser with the Italian letters on the back right here to give it a little bit of flair. It has a very nice carbon fiber duckbill spoiler here. It really sets the back of this car off. Now, this car has tinted taillights, which make the back look really cool, and just the whole thing is just so aggressive from the back. I really, really like this car. So these are 19-inch wheels. I like that they're painted black. They look really good. They are 285/30 19 tires, and you can just see the vented and slotted brakes in the back and a nice Alfa Romeo on the brake caliper. It really sets the whole package off. For the inside, you can really see the steering wheel is kind of the focal point of this whole interior. It's got the nice flat bottom and the nice carbon fiber bits all around it with the middle stop-start button. I think it's a very, very well done wheel, as well as the big paddles here on the side. The front of the Giulia Quadrifoglio is very, very aggressive. The way that they did the front bumper, I really, really like the black on the white with this particular car. On the hood here, he's got the carbon fiber vents. I'm not sure if they're functional or not, but cool either way. Also a little bit of carbon fiber on the eyelids for the headlights as well. Really cool headlights. And a really cool air induction system in the back. You can see the intercoolers on the side. The Giulia is just full of carbon fiber, especially in this trim. Let's take a look at some of it. Carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon, 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 carbon. Yeah. Oh, carbon. We also have the carbon fiber bottom side skirts as well. Looks really, really nice in the sunlight. So what do you guys think of this Giulia? Is it something that is a good competitor, or is it just a little bit too unique and too different for what people are looking for in the market? I think it's a really good buy. So would you guys buy this over a BMW or a Mercedes? That is the question. Leave a comment in the comment section below. And thanks for watching this quick look.